Na my husband, Omesa Broderick. I'm the wife, Sandra Broderick. This is what police did to me, police brutality.
Hello, my lovely people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una, appreciate una well, well. My people, maybe some of una don still see this video, while some never see am. I will put the full video, more na watch am. Una see this woman so, na with your husband, na dey for bed so. Na wetin Ogbalegbe do dem for our country, for our state, for our place, na be this. That country, my people, e dey tire person. If you say e never tire you, na be say you never see anything. E dey tire person. Food not there, water not there, nothing there, nothing. You still dey struggle to make sure say your family still get something to eat. Make you take provide for them. The Ogbalegbe, the police, dem go dey harass you. Dem go dey see wetin dem do to this man, my people. See wetin dem do to this man. Hi, that country, oh God. Na only God na go help us. No justice, nothing. If you see this man head, I go put the small picture and I go see am when e go come out for there. I will even put the video more and listen to wetin the woman dey talk. The man na keke napep na the poor man dey drive o. Na him dey ride o. Na keke napep na him still dey manage, still dey carry family dey go. Make dem no go thief, make dem no go do another thing. Na dem take dey manage, take dey eat, my people. No matter wetin this man do to all this Ogbalegbe, they supposed to dey protect us. No, na dem dey do the worst. They no dey protect. See the kind beating wey dem do this man, my people. When I see the picture of the man head, una go see am for here, my people. I shout, I say, God, how person go do another person like you this kind thing? Una know when Ogbalegbe, when they dey do their thing, when they fight with you. Not be only one o. Not be only one. See the man head, they open the man head. They open him head. Wetin dey worry some of, wetin dey worry all these Ogbalegbe people? Wetin dey worry them? And this man now, the thing wey he receive for that he brain, because the woman don dey talk and say the man don come dey do anyhow. Na true. I dey talk and say na the brain na be the machine of our body. Na the brain na dey carry person dey go. If the brain no dey work, nowhere go work for body. They open this man head like this. Now know the kind damage wey he receive for inside there. The man still dey alive, we thank God. But when as he wife talk, he can't dey do one kind, because it's normal thing. That brain receive too much, something wey receive it too much. My people, I just dey vex. I dey vex. Person go dey try to struggle to eat. Then all this Ogbalegbe, they still they come dey put their frustration for the person body. See wetin dem do to this poor man. Wetin he do una? Wetin the man do una? No do the anything. Even though say una say make give una something, no get. Now know wetin dem dey do for our country. They go start. They go attack you. The woman cry come out now. All this Ogbalegbe wey do this thing, now they no see them. She go report. She don't do everything. Una know as the country be. If you not be somebody, you not get voice. She don't report. She don't pay 5 million to treat her husband. But nobody come out, come say how the man be, wetin dey happen, wetin no dey happen. No justice. Now the woman cry come and say she need justice. This thing, may finish. E don reach the time wey go take finish. Person no fit go work, may e go in peace. All this Ogbalegbe, dem go hold you for road. If you dey drive a car wey be say fine well, they will say, where the money, how you take get the money wey you take buy am? We dey see many things, we dey hear many things. See this poor man now, e dey for there now. The brain no dey work like that again. As his wife talk, say he come dey do one kind. Na normal thing. Me, I put the video more and see am. I pray make she get justice, my people. May they arrest all those Ogbalegbe, all these police wey do this thing, because they no fit leave them, make them just go like that. Abeg my brothers and sisters, make una help me share am, make e reach pipo hand, make dem see wetin dem do to dis man. It's very bad. It's very bad. If person no get voice, you no fit talk for dat country. You are on your own. Thank God for social media now, we fit dey voice out for pipo wey no fit shout come out. Wetin dem do to dis man is very bad. All dis policemen, dem still dey work. Nobody ask dem say wait, dis thing una do, so why e be like dis? Dem still dey work, dem still dey outside, dem go still do am to other pipo. Abeg make una help me share am, make una share, make dis woman get justice for im husband. Wetin dem do am is very bad. Make una watch the video, make una share am. God bless you una. Bye bye.
Na my husband Omesa Broderick. I'm the wife Sandra Broderick. This is what police did to me for my head. They beat up my husband. The policemen for B division. One of them is Felix Esezobo, the other one Felix, and the other one name is Ndubisi. 3 of them, and police, they are hiding them. The DPO told me that they are from B division, but now they are hiding them. We spent almost 5 million to take off my husband. We did a brain surgery, feeding, everything. The keke has been riding, they took it from him. They went to park it at filling station instead of taking it to the police. And they were not even on duty that day this thing happened. They were not on duty. After, someone followed them, they are close to the police station at B Division Avenue. It's to B Division Avenue. They went to change their uniform, beat up my husband, left him from 7 till 9 when somebody rescued him and called me with his phone before we rushed him to Central Hospital Warri. There was vomiting blood. When I mean blood, raw blood was coming out from his mouth and his nose. From there we transferred to Lily. Lily said the operation there was expensive. We had to go to another hospital, Bryant, where God helped us. And when we did the operation, this is him. His thing is affecting his brain. He's behaving somehow, and he's the breadwinner of this home. We just got married not long. People should help us. People should help us. Well, but the police, maybe because I don't have any backbone, I don't know anybody. They have been doing the matter here and there to Asaba till now. Nothing, not even a penny from the B division, not even a penny from the DPO, not even a penny from police, nothing. They left it all for us, saying they can't hide. They will bring them out. They will do this. They went there. They said they are not there. Whether they've released them, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't really know. They left my husband like this. People can see him. People can see him.
So who did you go and report to now?
I went to DPO. Me and my mother-in-law, my father-in-law went there. He identified them as Ndubisi and Felix. And Felix Esezobo. I don't know which of them they are hiding now. They are not bringing anybody out. The DPO said I can go to Buhari if I like. I'm asking them what's their surname of these people. They are hiding them. And they said I should go to...
Did you report to Human Rights?
I went to Human Rights. I came to Human Rights to report to them.
That is a committee for defense of human rights.
Yes, at Deco Road. They are the one that have been taking up the matter, looking for them and running a tasketa with me.